Hey guys, your desk look like this, and this is on a good day too. If it does, you may need what I've got here. This is a clamp-on organized shelf. I'm hoping it will go right back here, and I'll have a shelf to put some of this stuff on. So stick around, let's get the box open, see what we get, and then let's get it put up and see if we can get a little organized here. Metal shelf, some directions here, mounting hardware, more mounting hardware and tools to do this with, and a second shelf. Looks like some easy to follow directions here. See what we can get done. I guess first thing we need to do is move all this stuff out of the way. That's my problem. I move stuff from one place to the other place, back over to the other place. Then this will help me get organized a little anyway. Okay, see our first step. I'm going to kind of speed through this so you won't get quite so bored. What's important is the end results anyway. Okay, looking at the instructions, you have two different options here. This is the on-desk instructions here. This is where it's going to like sit up here. And then you have the under the desk where it would be like this. It would just hang like that. We want it up here though, so we're going to go with the A directions there. Put it like that. Put your screws through there. It's pretty heavy duty steel too. It's not no lightweight cheap plastic stuff. Pretty nice. Feels like it's going to be built to last. Okay, we have our holes down this side. So the shelf is going to be right here. So do the other one just the opposite. Make the little holes point this way. Okay, I was just looking. You could actually put this, if you had the room, you could actually put this far back here, or you could put it above your desk. Just wherever you want to put it. These shelves are very versatile. I really like this. We want to put them both like that, or we can put it like that, like a tray. The instructions are showing it to be like this, but we can do it however you want to. I think I'm going to do one like this and one like that, just because. These are Phillips head screws. You're going to have your own screwdriver. They didn't send one, only an Allen wrench. I'm going to go ahead and get this put together, then we can kind of see how it goes. So let me get it put together, and then I'll check back with y'all shortly. Okay, this had a few things I wanted to point out. I'm having to use my phone because the big camera's a little hard to get up here. But the bar right here, I've got it in the back. You could also put it in the middle, or like I mentioned earlier, you could put it in the front and your shelf would hang over the back side. Here it would kind of split the difference. There is a set of screw holes right here, here, and then down there on the bottom. Right there. You can adjust these shelves wherever you need them, whether it's up high and a little ways down, or way down low, or in between. Pretty much just wherever you would like to put them. This is a really versatile shelf. It has so many different ways you can set this thing up. It has a little rack right here. You hang that off the side. I've just got USB cords hanging on it. It's definitely a thumbs up. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.